Today we are going to talk about an OpenCV course. Okay, so this is the course outline that we have right here, and these are the 17 most important topics that we have chosen for you. Okay, so we're going to discuss one topic one by one, and probably we're going to do code examples, all right, for all of them. So the idea is that if you talk about OpenCV, the first topic is introduction. It is very important. So the question is that what is OpenCV? So OpenCV, which also stands for Open Source Computer Vision, it is a library of programming functions mainly aimed at real-time computer vision. In simple language, it is a library that is used for image processing. It is mainly used to do all the operations related to the images. All right, so the histogram, the detection of the faces that you see on Facebook, if you upload a picture, they actually recommend you that do you want to tag a specific person? How do they do that? They do that with facial and image recognition technology that they have, and obviously that they have that because of this OpenCV. That is the same logic that is being used right there. Okay. So then the question arises that what is a computer vision? So the idea is that computer vision is a field of computer science that works on enabling computers to see, identify, and process images in the same way that human vision does, and then provide appropriate output. So the idea is that the computers, if they would look at the image, they won't look at those images in the same way as we humans do. All right, so the way of computer actually looking at those images is quite different than us, and processing is obviously different as well. So it's like imparting human intelligence and instincts to a computer. In reality though, it is a difficult task to enable computers to recognize images of different objects. So a little combination of AI is being used here in computer vision. All right, so now we're talking about OpenCV, that what it can do. It can read and write images, and we've got examples of that. It could detect the faces and its features. We also have eye detection and face detection example in this course. Then number third is that detection of shapes like circle, rectangle, etc. in an image. We also have an example regarding this. Then text recognition in images, e.g. reading number plates, etc. Okay, you can do that. We don't have any example regarding this, but we would have in another course that would basically post regarding OpenCV. Okay, that would be a detailed course. This is kind of a mini course that we're creating right now. We'd also create a detailed course in which we'd try to cover everything regarding OpenCV, that is. Okay, so number 5th, we have modifying image quality and colors, Instagram cam scanner. These are the examples. So on number 6, we have developing augmented reality apps. So that is not it. It can do a lot more other things that we have not mentioned here. So these are just, we are barely scratching the surface here. There are a lot of other things that you can do with OpenCV, and we'd see that in detail. Let's talk about the history of OpenCV. So it was officially launched in 1999. OpenCV project, it was initially an Intel research initiative to advance CPU intensive applications, part of a series of projects including real-time ray tracing and 3D display walls. All right, so we also have examples regarding line tracing in the road and things like that. Okay, so the main contributors to the project included a number of optimization experts in Intel Russia, as well as Intel's performance library team. In the early days of OpenCV, the goal of the project was described as, number 1, as advancing the vision research by providing not only open but also optimized code for basic vision infrastructure. The other one was like dissemination vision knowledge by providing a common infrastructure that developers can build on. And another point was that advanced vision-based commercial applications by making it portable. Okay, so the alpha version, the first version of OpenCV, was released to the public at the IEEE conference, which was on computer vision and pattern recognition. There's a lot of research that is being done on OpenCV, and a lot of scholars and researchers are doing the work on it. And you can find all their work by going to IEEE website or Springer or journals like. And then you can basically download some of the papers and then you can read them in order to get an idea about the research which is being done on OpenCV.